Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and signing in. This ensures dark mode settings sync. Open the Google app on mobile or Chrome on desktop, then go directly to Settings. On Android or iOS, tap your profile, then Settings. On desktop, type Chrome, //Settings, or click the three dots and choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, locate Appearance or Theme options to change display behavior. This removes delays and makes the switch immediate across support. Now you enable the theme. In Settings, find Appearance or Theme and choose Dark or System Default. On mobile, pick Dark to force it. Choose System to follow your OS night schedule. Some Google apps allow scheduling. Set start and end times if you want automatic switching. Make sure to apply and then check key apps like Search and Gmail. If some screens remain light, restart the app or browser so styles load consistently across pages and components. To finish, restart your browser or app so the new theme fully takes effect, and confirm synced devices show dark mode. If parts remain bright, clear cache or update the app. Cached CSS can block theme swaps. Make sure your device's system theme isn't overriding app choices. Toggle system dark mode off and on to test. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. This often resets theme flags and resolves stubborn conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.